Oh boy, we're back. Here we go. Okay. Well, first of all, Happy New Year's. Like, what's up, 2020? Let's fucking do this. Starting out the new year with the right hormones in our body. Like, that's a good start, right? I think so. At least for me, it is. If you haven't started yet and you want to, then fucking get out there and do that. Like, don't sit around. Get it done. So, 2 months already. That's pretty intense. Like, it went by quick, but I feel like I should be a year down the road already. Like, it's been a while, but it's only been 2 months. Whatever. I'm happy with the changes and the progress so far. Like, it's what's up. Like, I'm vibing on this. This is a good time. Like, I've already learned so much about clothes and style and hair and makeup and stuff that I always wanted to learn about, but I just never did because, like, that was frowned upon for dudes to learn about. So, like, I didn't worry about the makeup. I just pretended to hate girls try to put makeup on me when they try to put it on me. But no, I don't want it. Stop. Go away. And then I would just keep saying no, hoping that they would be persistent, and then I would finally cave in. And I've always liked it. Whatever, dude. I'm totally like, this is a good time. We're here to talk about our 2-month hormone update. That's why we're here. So, the song's playing again. I guess we're gonna listen to "Thinking About You Again" by Callum Graham. Again. It's fine with me. It's a good song. I tried straightening my hair yesterday, and that was a fucking disaster. So I blow dried my hair when I got out of the shower. I never do that. I always just let it air dry because then it really curls up very nice, and the curls are really like clumped and really spirally curls. They're really tight. But when I blow dried, it looks like someone took a comb or a brush to it, and just, it's super poofy, and it's all chaos. There's no rhyme or reason. I am deviating so hard from the topic right now. 2 months in, wow. I noticed the other day, like maybe 3 days ago, that like the skin on my shoulders and stuff, like I had just gotten out of the shower, and like, I had put lotion on my arms and stuff, and when I looked over at my shoulder, like, I was shiny, like, but my skin wasn't wet or anything. It was just kind of, it was fucking glowing, I mean, it looked really nice, and I was like, what, this is cool. So I felt it, and it was soft. I mean, it was super soft, and I always remember my bag being kind of like, not soft like it was. So I can definitely say at 2 months in that skin everywhere on my person has gotten super soft, which is awesome. Like, who doesn't want soft skin? Like, get real. It's cool. Also, I have another laser appointment coming up in like a week, I think, and it'll probably get rid of a lot of this extra stuff that's going on. It is what it is. It's probably going to take a few more sessions after this next one to really clear everything up, but it is what it is. I'm happy. This is cool. I've been wanting to do this for 28 fucking years. Like, I'm gonna do it. People say that your hair grow like super fast as soon as you start estrogen. I don't know. Maybe for some people. Like, everybody's mileage varies, obviously, but my hair, it grew just as fast as it did before, and like, I got a haircut as well for the first time in 4 years. That number. After that, like, I could tell my hair was happy. It was happy with me because it wasn't so difficult to manage. Let's get back on track here. Sorry, I'm in a good mood. One of them, I know y'all are ready to hear this. Like, the best part about all of this is my boobs. At 2 months in, they have definitely grown. But don't take that as like I'm already an A cup. I'm not. you do feel breast buds beneath your nipples, then those grow, and then around your nipples, like in your breast area, like it starts to fill out after the buds grow and grow. And I'm at the stage where the buds are like golf ball sized, and they're still firm. I'm feeling my boob right now. You guys can't see it, but I'm feeling it. There's the buds are still firm, but they're getting bigger, and they're still super sore. Like if not tender, they're tender. Like if I always wear a sports bra now because it keeps like, if my shirt rubs against my nipples, it's chaos. It hurts. It's like not cool. So I keep a sports bra on now, and if it rides up a little too high, like the band of the sports bra really irritates me, and like it just starts to get uncomfortable. So I'm kind of pulling it down a lot, like it's not very feminine of me to be adjusting myself in public. But I have to do what I have to do. Maybe in a couple months I won't have to adjust myself as much, because there will be something there to weigh the band down, to keep it from sliding over my nipples. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's keep going. I'm super excited to see what the next few months will bring. Sex drive, my sex drive plummeted straight to the ground like 3 years ago when I finally decided I was going to do something about this, and I just didn't. When I started estrogen, I have no desire whatsoever. Sex drive has gone down considerably. Your voice doesn't change on estrogen, unfortunately. I guess I'm stuck sounding like a fucking man. Oh well. I don't usually tuck because I wouldn't say loose fitting clothing, but I don't wear tight pants. And I have noticed though that the two boys down there beneath that guy, they've shrunk considerably. Like a lot. Like they've probably halved in size, which is a lot. I don't know. They've shrunk a lot. And maybe a month ago I thought that I had noticed them shrinking, but now they've definitely shrunk, which is cool. Like, go away. I don't want you. Peace. Bye. Deuces. You're out. I'm still very vascular. Like, my veins haven't gone away as much as I had hoped they would. I still have a lot of muscle tonality. Like, it's not just fading out and smoothing out like I thought it, or not necessarily that I thought it would, but that I've heard other people say that theirs has. Like, fat redistribution, that's a thing that I feel like that's definitely one of the most different things for everyone. Like, the way that your fat redistributes is going to be vastly different than the way mine does. I feel like it has something to do with metabolism. It might not. I could just be speculating, but I've always had a super high metabolism, so I would eat 5 times a day and still lose weight. And I've never really had an hourglass figure, but I've never been, like, big. And I've always had a small booty, and that sucks. And my booty is still small. I don't know if it'll ever be a big booty. As far as the speed of my body hair growing, I'll give you guys another update in a couple of weeks. I haven't really shaved my body until last week, so I don't know if it grows back fast or not. I'll have to tell you later, because I don't know. I have no analog or control to compare it to. So, 2 months is a long time. It's a really long time. But when you wake up happy every day and you're looking forward to each hour in each day, it goes by really quick. Before we know it, I'll be on my 3rd month, and then my 4th month, and then my 5th month, and then I'll be uploading my 1 year. And that's a beautiful thing. So, Happy New Year. You know, I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.